Emphasizing that it is in line with constitutional provisions, he also said another major recommendation by the committee is direct primaries for selecting candidates instead of using party delegates.
Most systems have their own problems, managerial and so on and so forth, but we felt since there are evidences that are very clear that the indirect primaries, use of delegates, had been subjected to abuses by so-called godfathers of the party and money bags and so on. We felt, let's change the procedure. And PDP, we said, its slogan is power to the people. So let's really see ourselves transferring the power to the people through.
Ibrahim Shekarau stressed that it is their hope that with the recommendations put in place by the committee, the inconsistencies in the People's Democratic Party will be addressed. In Abuja, Ifani Ezumba, NTA News.